Yes.
Blue magic doesn't exist.
The world is becoming very scary to live in.
So Jaisor and fear God. I just wanted to see my head. Hey, please, I'll start recording though.
No.
Hey! I want to go. Wait, I'm recording.
Whatever to that stupid dance.
Wait.
Yes, that's it.
Bye. Guys, go to church. Go to church. My patience.
Which title is that enough? What am I supposed to say?
I don't know. Say something.
Okay. Hi. My name is Patience. My first name is Songbang, which is my responsibility. My last name is Lema, which is my identity. So depending on the setting, I give each of those names. Then Patience is my love language. Being patient with me and being patient with other people. So all of those three names make this personality you're seeing right here.
Please.
Okay.
Show you the full face, guys. Like, come on, God. See the boots. I don't know. I just like the boots. Powerful boots. Oh, these are the boots that you now wear.
Then it's okay.
Hey, please, I'll start recording though.
No.
Hey,
You want to do something?
please say hi.
Hi.
Hi, babe. Hi. Okay, whatever this thing is, yeah, I'm capturing the moment. Hey, like I'm so serious. Hi, lovely people. Please introduce yourselves to my vlog.
Hi, people. My name is Precious, aka Frankie.
Hey, since when? Yeah, it's like I'm not hearing this. Wow.
It's been there for ages.
Wow.
Hey guys.
I'm honored.
I'm a Cameroonian
Of course.
studying business administration, Ashesi University, class of 2027.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hi guys, what's up? I'm Jessica. You can call me Jojo in Tanzania, class of 2027. I'm offering business administration.
Yes, guys, sweetie.
I just want to vibe and everything, and I love good.
Oh, and she's a gym instructor, guys.
Yeah, here we go.
It's true. In my other vlog, you might have seen her behind me in the video. She's always at the gym.
Yeah, so that's it. And that is good.
Yes.
Bye. It is currently 6:38, right? And this is after like about 5 alarms. I managed to wake up. Charlie, I know something I should actually sleep. What is all this? Let's get right into the study session. This is the outfit. It's basically a blouse with jeans, and my hair is kind of looking quite messy. So I decided to like wear a cap on it, and I wore it backwards because the normal way of wearing it was not looking nice. My head was looking some stuff. Yeah. And basically that is the fit. I think I'll try to show you the whole outfit here. Okay, Crocs. Just back to this. I feel weird with the outfit, but it would have been more terrible if I wanted to. Usually if I'm doing like a selfie, this is what I do. Bro. Yeah, so I want to show you what my cup says. Where is it? The socket. No, my face is showing too much. Yeah, so good. To leave you guys for Friday, all I have to say is the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom, guys. So fear God, fear God. If you fear God, you know that what you are doing, you're not supposed to be doing that. So Jaisar and fear God. This is how the classes look like, right? It's like an amphitheater type thing. And then there's no no phone policy. Sometimes some lectures do no laptop. So there's no way I can record in class. And this is like a freaking camcorder. Hi everyone, this is Pastor Azaria, right? He's like the pastor for the Psalmist International Ashesi family, right? Yes. Yeah. I mean, look at the chefs alone. Charlie. Hi. So today is Achimota's birthday, Achimota school, and why?
Did I go to Achimota school?
You there? You wait. I'm coming. Hold this thing. So open the case. So like I have a sticky note over here. Let me read what is here. Well, wait, I can't even see.
Contract.
I dash. So you put your name there. Commit to saying everything clean and oh wait. Without fear or favor, then you sign. So sign there.
What kind of by force contract is this? This is
no, there's a pen. I think there's a pen.
This is a breach of contract.
So as I've introduced you as a man of God,
a freedom
Master,
contract.
Sign and write the name. As a man of God that you are, you cannot breach this contract in the name of Jesus. Say
I'm not signed.
Hey, sign.
Guys, I was forced.
Yeah. So now the opening, flip to the next page. So you have to read everything. You have to read everything that is there.
Hypothetically.
No.
I'm saying everything you're telling me to see.
Yes. No.
Wow,
so you must. It's not hypothetically, yeah. Read as I've said it over there. This is a happy birthday message to Achimota School. I love you so much.
Yes. The video.
Read this with full vim. If you read it anyhow, you will do it again.
Wow. Hypothetically, as.
No.
Oh my goodness.
That part is not part of this thing. It's a breach of contract, man of God.
Contract. You don't say anything. Did he say I shouldn't advertise?
No.
There was no part of the contract that I cannot add. I cannot add.
I have added it. It is my video, so I have added it. You cannot add anything or subtract. Yes, let's go.
As another day.
Read it well, with more of him.
As another day, I hereby declare that Achimota School is the best school in Ghana, hands down.
Yes.
Blue magic doesn't exist, even if you pretend it does. It can't stand a chance against Motown.
Thank you. So, yeah, please check my face. Hold the camera. No. Am I showing like my full frame?
No.
Should I go back?
I think so, because I don't know how to.
Am I showing now?
I'll have to do like this for your shoes to show.
Yeah. It's okay, let's go for lunch. Bye guys, happy birthday at Achimota School. Yeah, we are the best. Yeah. Oh, and before I forget, right? As I was talking about Blue Magic, I just remembered. So Pastor Azaria, right? He has a podcast called called Experience Booking. You guys should kindly go and check that out. It's so interesting. They had your first episode was about Blue Market Tale. Even though that does not exist, please go and watch. Yeah, press go. Let's go to the gym. My social battery has got to zero. Wait, this thing, the recording without looking through the thing was weird. But then, yeah, that's basically everything for Tuesday's vlog. And yeah, bye. I'm getting lunch at like a peak hour and it's crazy. Let me just show you the food. There's like a lot of food. And it was a pretty long queue, but I got there. Because I mean, this queue seems not to be moving. I think the same pictures as I entered. Just for a morsel of meat. I'm the next person in line. And like everybody in my that's my order, guys. Yes, please. I want to. Yes, please. Yes, please. I just wanted to see my head. Bye. I have my food here. Water. And there's a little bit one thing. True crime. Yeah. Why do I watch true crime? I have no idea. It's just like something that's interesting to watch. It's very concerning how like these things are happening in real life. The world is becoming very scary to live in. The title sounds like a Korean movie. Oh, Charlie, this advert gets me. Celebrity has cancer, catches husband cheating with BFF, then they marry right after her party. And the people on the thumbnail look like Koreans. No offense once again, maybe they are from China or you. But I feel like this thing is probably a line in some K-drama. It's so typical, but yeah, guys.
At this point. The amount of times that you've talked about marrying my husband is getting ridiculous. They need a restraining order on you. And let me tell you, yes, it absolutely is unhinged and it's not safe levels. You know what else is ridiculous though? The amount of real estate that this story takes up in my brain right now. Like all my neurons are just thinking about marrying my husband. Like the way that I can't get enough of marrying my husband needs to be a scientific study. So when I heard that there was a real life version of this K-drama.
Oh, apparently it's a K-drama.
Generally, this story.
Apparently, you see, I just knew the line sounded so familiar. Apparently, it's a K-drama, but then there's a real life version of that whole breast cancer. Cancer, you die, and your best friend marries your husband. Yo, twisted. I'm done eating, so like I'm coming to prepare for my next 2 classes. Oh, something happened today. That I was like filming myself. Filming myself getting food. Somebody asked me, why do you have like a camcorder? I was like, oh, I'm vlogging. He's like, where do you put it? I was like, YouTube. And I was like, let me see. Then she subscribed. I feel so like. Yeah. Bye. Hi guys. Like, it's just been a week day, and I'm so tired. I'm overstimulated. elated. I can't believe you're going to be here for like how many more weeks? I have like 15 more weeks to go. Yeah. I can't do that. I want to go. Energy. My energy is still not up, but it's better than yesterday. Yesterday I just wanted to sleep and nobody should talk to me. Hi, lovely people. Hi. So today is Friday and I'm in a much better place today. Just one of those days when you don't feel like that kind of. And yeah, I like today's food. This is for the cooks. They make this pizza. Wait, I'm recording.
Whatever was just speaking dance.
Wait.
Yes, that's
In fact, let's do a fit check. Hi everybody. Meet Osarumi. Say hi. Yeah, like the fit is fitting. Just look at the boots. Stop it. Yeah, let me show you a picture of my feet. No, sorry, a video of my face as well. But it's giving model, Instagram model. Wow. Her.
So get to know that and get to be ready for that also.
See, wine to me. Like this is a Ashesi career fair lunch. It will be happening in March, right?
Really?
She said you don't even know.
Saying the way to give you a match.
Who is that? Oh, Minia.
You said do you need advertising?
I'm coming. I'm very focused. Come back.
Thank you, Daniel. So
Thank
all you know, companies will be live on campus. If you don't want to just
Say
on your
hi.
interviews, such that on
Yeah.
that day when you are moving with the plan and strategy. Thank you.
Yeah.
If you answer one question, I also answer.
Ask me a question.
So we have a continuing student in the house who's going to receive one question from me, the MC of the day.
Oh my God.
What do you know about the career fair and what has been your experience so far?
Career fair is not like career fair was such an opportune time to learn that internship because everybody there is open-minded. For me, the internship I got, I didn't really have to have all the qualifications. I learned on the job and it was so interesting. So please start early and hopefully you get to have some amazing offers.
Hi. I want to zoom in on your eyes. Like the sun is not here.
Are you in the photographic class?
Yes, please.
So I want to join.
Yeah. Hi, map. So you guys should see the eyes. Oh, the thing is not beautiful. Oh my God. See the eyes. Hi. I want to show you like the full fit. I don't know how to do that dance. I think it's a TikTok or something. But then yeah, this is the full fit. And I don't know if you can hear, but it's like when I'm walking, it has this after effects, right? So weird, especially when the classroom is quiet. Hi. So I just went to get lunch. Yeah, and this is where the vlog will come to an end. Have a lovely bye. I'm so sorry.